today we are going to talk about growing patterns. Now, this shouldn't be too tricky, so I think we'll just go right through it. But you're going to see a pattern just like this: circle, rectangle, circle, rectangle, rectangle, circle, rectangle, 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 circle. You can obviously tell the pattern is circles and rectangles, but there's something different about this pattern. It grows. One part of the pattern doesn't stay exactly the same. It gets a little bit bigger. So first we got to think about what is growing. Is the circles you're getting more circles, or are you getting more rectangles? Take a little bit of time to decide. All right, so hopefully you thought and you decided on the rectangle, because if you did, you are correct. We start out right here with one rectangle, then we go to our circle, we go to two rectangles, circle, three rectangles, circle. Now here's where we need to decide how many more rectangles we need. So think in your head, think about the pattern, how it grows. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to give you about 5 seconds. Hopefully in your head you were saying 4 rectangles, because if you did, you were correct. I'm going to do a quick draw of 4 rectangles. And this pattern could just keep on going. All right, because I could draw a circle here, and then I would need 5 rectangles. Circle, 6 rectangles. That's why we call it growing. It's getting bigger. So let's look down at this one. We have a triangle and a hexagon. Triangle, hexagon, hexagon. Triangle, hexagon, 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 triangle. Give you 5 seconds to think about what shape is growing, triangles or hexagons. All right. Hopefully you said hexagons, because we have 1 hexagon, 2 hexagons, 3 hexagons. So now I want you to think, well, how many hexagons will I need here? Hopefully you are going to say 4 hexagons, because you are correct. I'm going to quickly make a few more so that I can make this a tiny bit faster. All right. There we go. They don't all fit on my line, but there we go. Then I could do another triangle, and then I would do 5 hexagons and just keep growing the pattern. All right, that will be important to know for our test. Now today's is another quick review. Our paper will be of our ordinal numbers: first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. So on this little quick review, the start is up here at the red line at the top. And I would like you to, before I say anything, I will give you a question. I want you to try to figure it out in your head, and then you'll have to see if the star you picked is right. I want you to figure out where the 4th star is. All right, hopefully you figured out which one was the 4th star. I'm going to circle it. First, second, third, fourth. Hopefully that's the same star you picked. All right, now I would like you to figure out where the 9th star is. The 9th star. All right, I've picked this one. Let's check. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. Very good. And we'll do one more. Could you figure out where the 6th star is? The 6th. All right, let's see. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, 6. This is the star I'm going to circle. All right, I hope you got them all correct. And here is what your page looks like. I know you have it in front of you, so double check that you're on this right side with the camels. All right, and it's called Let's Have a Picnic. It's just some little problem solving. These camels are all waiting in a line. As you can see, that they're all in the line. This would be the back going towards the front. So the front is down here where I'm going to put my green mark. Important to know that's the start of the line. All right, you may have lots of extra time, but I want to give you plenty of time to count these camels out. So it may be silent for a while and you may have already circled the answer on your paper. That is okay. Just keep waiting because then I will let you know what the next question is. All right, so the first thing they want you to do is to find the third camel and circle it. The third camel. As you probably noticed, they did circle that one, so that one was an easy one. All right, the next camel they'd like you to find is the fifth camel. All right, very good. Hopefully you found the fifth camel and you circled it. All right, now they'd like you to circle the eighth camel. The eighth camel. Circle the eighth camel. All right, hopefully you found the eighth camel. And the final one they'd like you to find is the ninth camel. Please circle the ninth camel. Circle the ninth camel. All right, very good. So first you should have circled the third camel, then the fifth camel, the eighth camel, and the ninth camel. Please make sure your name is at the top of the paper. When you're done, put it at Mrs. Hendershot's table. And if she is not busy, she'll set you up with IXL. If she's still working with the class, please just grab an iPad and go into the 1, 2, 3, and then she will get IXL ready for you. Nice job.